committee heard hours of testimony involving the state budget. Lawmakers are determining what stays in and what stays out should stay put in that bill.
Fox 59 State House reporter Hannah Adamson tuned into that hearing and spoke with people making their case to lawmakers.
Thursday, roughly 40 people representing dozens of agencies and nonprofits made their case to Senate Appropriations as to why they should either stay in the budget bill or be added into the budget bill.
We're requesting the general fund appropriation for operations be increased by $10 million annually.
The funding required for certified community behavioral health clinics, crisis response services, and the 988 crisis line require an additional $53 million a year.
Committee Chairman Ryan Mishler warning those giving testimony the chances of them getting more out of the budget are slim.
If you're not in and there's a cost to it, it's pretty unlikely you're get in because that means somebody else has to come out.
Many who testified pushing lawmakers to raise taxes on cigarettes and alcohol to help boost the budget. According to the Tax Policy Center, Indiana's state and local alcohol taxes brought in almost $60 million in revenues in 2021, a drop in the bucket compared to what Hoosiers pay.
Alcohol-related harm costs Hoosiers more than $4.4 billion a year, a staggering burden that affects our healthcare system, first responders, and communities.
While the House has passed measures to raise the cigarette tax for years, those efforts have stalled in the Senate.
We're kind of interested to see, how they feel about it, and if they want to do something, we'll talk about it during conference.
Democrats who serve on Senate Appropriations say their biggest budget concern revolves around education, and that the current budget proposal gives far more money to school choice voucher families compared to their public school counterparts.
25,000 students who belong to households that are the top 3% of all earners in Indiana, who make more than $250,000 a year, will receive $330 million. But 1 million students in traditional schools will only receive $190 million.
Now, the committee decided not to vote on the bill Thursday. I'm told the committee will most likely vote on an amended version of the budget bill in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Reporting from the Indiana State House, I'm Hannah Adamson.